Welcome to Filmoments tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to see who unfollowed you and your recent followers on Instagram using a third-party app. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. Go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Follow Meter. Tap on it and install the app. After that, let's open the app. Tap on Login. Then here, you need to log in with your Instagram account. Okay, let's wait for the app to load up. After then, a pop-up will appear about Follow Meter Pro features. You can upgrade if you really need those Pro features, but it's okay not to upgrade too. Tap on the X button to close it. So here's the app view. You can see here your new followers, people who unfollow you unfollowed, people not following you back, and more. To see if it's really working, I asked one of my friends to unfollow me and another one to follow me, and then let's see if the app will really show the latest activity of my Instagram followers. Okay, it's done. Let's refresh the app by swiping down. There are some ads, so just close the ads. Now see the app have some notifications with new followers and unfollowers. Let's tap on it. The app will show you the account itself with its username, also those who unfollow you. So this app is really working as of this time that I'm recording this video. So for more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching. Till next time!